Hi, my name is Barry Vesti. I'm the Operations Director at Aurolux Lighting, Auroled China. I've been in the lighting industry 19 years. Obviously, over the past 5 years, we've seen a massive onslaught of the LED technology. New companies springing up around the world, distributing the next best thing. However, sometimes they make some products wrong. Every factory in China, and you will all recognise this is a standard surface mount troffer with a Cat 2 reflector. All the factories in China decided that fluorescent tubes were bad. They contain mercury, they contain lead, they're bad for recycling, they create problems in landfills, water treatment. However, they made an issue when they made them. They replaced what we had before with the same thing. And to do that, they started to put LED drivers inside a tube, down inside, keeping the same style, 240 volt. Now I'm going to give you a demonstration towards a patented product that I designed 3 years ago. I came up with the idea through lots of comments around the world about various issues. First issue that we find is this: lamp holders. Lamp holders are not designed for mains voltage. Most of these tubes are putting live and neutral through the pins of a lamp holder. In some countries they have what we call shunted or unshunted, live, neutral, neutral. Live and live neutral lamp holders. Therefore, the live can bypass. The factories don't tell you this, they just promote. So someone's got to come along and make it right. This cable here is not designed for mains voltage. It gets hot, it's very thin, it'll create a lot of resistance, burn. So my idea was to, how do we do this? Well, firstly, we don't want that cable. Secondly, how should we put a tube inside this? The best way for thermal management is to use this, it's metal. Why not? So, how to make a tube? We designed a super strong magnetised back tube that will just simply stick into your troffer. Because the end of the reflector is folded in anyway. This is a grey area on your fluorescent tubes. It doesn't or is not needed. Therefore, we want to make it very simple to retrofit for the electrician. Make it so that they can come into office, take out the tubes, remove them, put in a very simple item very quickly. So we create this tube. It's got no components on the PCB, so therefore it's LM80, LM79 approved, therefore it's a 100,000 hour product. Then we want to make a driver that will replace your ballast that goes central loaded. So here is our driver. Now we designed a nice little clever plate for this. It's a potted driver, UL approved in Aurolux Lighting's name, and all we do is we stick that in. That was very quick, wasn't it? Just stick straight in. Then we just jack plug onto our tubes. Very simply, take the cable that's coming into our fitting, and we're using, for the purposes of this demonstration, some very quick Dewis connectors, because I like these for wiring. So let's just put that in. Hope this doesn't sell lots of connectors for this company, obviously. Now, just to go back, we have our own full manufacturing setup for this. And now I will show you how quick it is. Straighten that cable up, come along, put your reflector back in to the housing. Once you put the housing back, the reflector back, just tidy up the tubes. Just make sure they're straight, make sure they're in line. Now you've got no wiring showing whatsoever, everything's in there, ready to go, and the effects are stunning. The effects of this are absolutely stunning. What we are doing now is, you cannot tell the difference. In fact, you've increased your lumen output from what you had before. From this actual fitting, we're getting more than 2,400 lumen. Sorry, more than that. We're actually getting about 3,200 lumen from the twin tubes. Comes as a complete set, ready to retrofit, so that you can just take away your tubes, install them. It's a patented item. We have distributors around the world. This is manufactured under our own setup. And if you'd like to get details on this or contact us, contact me, Barry at auroluxlighting.com. We do things differently to others in China, and it's why we're gaining reputation around the world.